Good morning everyone, my name is Alessia Volpi and today I will present GDPR Pilot. The author of this tool are Simone Agostinelli, Andrea Marrella and Alessia Volpi. GDPR Pilot is a tool designed to help users ensure that their processes comply with the GDPR requirement. GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation, that is a law introduced in the European Union to achieve data protection and privacy. It aims to give control to individuals over their personal data and to simplify the regulatory environment for international business. GDPR Pilot extends BPMN.io by integrating features specifically aimed at achieving GDPR compliance. The user can import or create a process into the tool and then answer a series of target questions designed to determine whether the process complies with the GDPR. In the case in which the process does not comply, the tool automatically adds predefined pattern to achieve the compliance. For the demo, we will use the process of a phone company handling the acquisition of a new client. The phone company requests personal data from the customer and checks its correctness. If the data is correct, the company proceeds to ask for the portability of customer number. This request is evaluated, and if portability is granted, the company asks for the old number and then requests portability from a third party. If the portability request is granted, the process continues with the assignment of a new number. Next, we have a series of activities aimed at sending and operating the SIM card to the user. After the activation of the SIM card, the process completes. If the procedure takes more than 30 days, the process is interrupted. We can open the GDPR panel to start our demo and we can check the first question. Of course, we handle personal data in this activity. Here we request personal data, so we can click yes. The second question is about consent, and according to the GDPR, when retrieving personal data, the data controller needs to ask the data subject for consent and provide the data subject with information about how the data will be used. In this case, we didn't ask for consent before request personal data, so we can click no. If the answer is no, like in this case, the user needs to indicate the activity in the process that require consent before being executed. The GDPR architect will add a call activity with the needed pattern to make the process compliance to the consent requirement. So in this case, we click our activity and we submit. And we can check that the new call activity was generated. The third question is about the right to access. According to GDPR, the data subject can access their personal data at any time, and the data controller needs to satisfy the request. In this case, and in all the following questions, a new flow path is generated inside an event subprocess. This flow path will handle the related obligation. We can see it, and this is our new flow path. Data portability is handled, and we can check yes, and now we can go faster. We can check what is inside the call activity added. And of course, the process is revertible. Next, I present to you the enhanced version of our tool, which incorporates the predictive power of a large language model. This advanced version aims to assist the user by providing suggested answers to the compliance question, making the process smoother and faster. We can see it's working. For personal data, the LLM suggests us to reply yes. For consent, suggests us to reply no. And it also suggests us the activity that for it requires consent. Notice that the LLM suggests us also to reply yes to portability. And then we can go fast because the logic is the same. Thank you for the attention.